All about Valencia oranges. Valencia oranges are summer oranges that have thin, golden orange skin and sweet, juicy fruit. You can use them in various ways, like adding them to salads, desserts, and sauces, or simply snacking on them raw. They're also great for making delicious orange juice. What are Valencia oranges? Valencia oranges are a type of citrus fruit known for their bright orange color and sweet taste. They belong to the citrus sinensis family and are commonly cultivated in warm, sunny regions. How to use Valencia oranges. You can enjoy Valencia oranges in various ways. Simply peel and eat them as a refreshing snack, or squeeze the juice for a delicious beverage. The zest can also be used to add flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. What do they taste like? Valencia oranges have a sweet and tangy flavor, making them a popular choice for juicing. The taste is a perfect balance of sweetness and acidity, providing a refreshing and enjoyable eating experience. Nutritional value. These oranges are not only tasty but also nutritious. They are rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and contain antioxidants that contribute to overall health. Additionally, they provide a good dose of fiber. Valencia orange recipes. Explore the versatility of Valencia oranges in your kitchen. From salads and desserts to marinades and sauces, these oranges can enhance the flavor of a wide range of dishes. Try a citrusy salad or a homemade orange glaze for your favorite protein. How to store Valencia oranges. To keep Valencia oranges fresh, store them in a cool, dry place. If you don't plan to consume them immediately, refrigerate them to extend their shelf life. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent mold growth. Valencia orange health benefits. Incorporating Valencia oranges into your diet can boost your immune system, thanks to the vitamin C content. The antioxidants present in these oranges also contribute to maintaining overall health. Additionally, the fiber content supports digestive health. In summary, Valencia oranges are not only a tasty and versatile fruit but also a nutritious addition to your diet. Whether you eat them fresh, juice them, or use them in recipes, these oranges bring a burst of flavor and health benefits to your table.